The viral giant behind the moon is back!
What is that?
And this time, it wasn't only caught on camera by one person. It was recorded by multiple people in different parts of the world, including Florida, USA. It's also recorded in London, hiding in the clouds. Even Mexicans saw it in the night sky like this. And even in the Philippines, it was captured on video. But the most detailed face captured to date is in this video taken from Scotland. And the more that you zoom in on the video, the scarier it gets. Because this time it looks so real. At this point, the face behind the moon had been seen all over the world, and it became hard for anyone to debunk the theory. Because as you can see, his face is very defined. He has visible eyes, a mouth, a nose, and it looks pretty much exactly like a human. And this video doesn't have cuts, it's just purely a recording. And that's why these recent sightings are going super viral, and people want to understand what is it exactly that they are looking at.
No joke.
And the more that these people investigated, the more interesting this discovery became.
The haunting footage shows the size of the face being at least twice the moon, meaning this creature can measure up to 12 or 14 moons in height.
That's how big this creature can be. And this is not the first time this alleged giant behind the moon showed his face to the world, because this face was caught on camera just last February 2024.
Here we go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and that's definitely a face in the moon.
And based on the footage, this man is angry, and he's been silently watching over us.
Yeah, it's got cracks in it. It's looking down. Yeah, looks angry. It's looking down at us right now.
That's why this giant behind the moon is now called the Watcher. And every time he shows up, people online urge the whole world to do this.
You gotta get right. Get right with God. Better start praying.
So there are so many conspiracies trying to figure out exactly what this man behind the moon is. Some say it's been said in the Bible. It's allegedly God's sign that he's about to come back to Earth because the world is about to end. Some say it's Project Blue Beam, a conspiracy theory that an elite group will recreate God's comeback to control the new world. Some say it's just a deepfake using AI technology. But if it's just a deepfake, then how on earth did so many different people from different parts of the world see the exact same thing?
They're all living in some big petri dish in a lab somewhere, and we've caught the reflection of the scientist in the lab checking in on us.
But there is one more thing that makes these videos even more suspicious. It's the fact that these videos have been viewed by millions of people from all around the world. But at the same time, these videos have never been reported or even debunked by news agencies. And even the government all over the world are keeping their mouths shut. Because if it is just fake, why does no one come forward and debunk these conspiracy theories once and for all? That's why, until now, the giant behind the moon is still a mystery. But what do you think is happening here?